Tim, take a look at the USB-C docking station. Okay, cool. So we got some instructions. So I do have to say, I really like that smooth finish on this thing. So this is a USB-C plug, so that's going to plug into a USB-C port. We have a power delivery of 3.0 ports, so you can literally plug the power supply into here, and then you can plug this into your laptop, and you can use that to supply power to the laptop. So you can have all the features in this just with one plug. We have another USB-C port. We have two HDMI ports. We have a display port, VGA Ethernet, two USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, an SD card slot, and a micro SD card slot. And it looks like we also have a 3.5 audio jack. So there are a ton of ports on here, and I really like the way that they have it laid out. So you got your power and your HDMI. Essentially, you could put this thing towards the rear, and you can always have this side facing you, so anytime you need to plug something in or out, you can just use this. So it's going to hide all the ports you don't need, and it's going to give you available all the ports you do need. So I'll plug this guy into my laptop. All right, so it sounds like it picked it up right there, and I'll plug in the HDMI. There we go. So just like that, I've got two monitors now. I got my mouse pointer right here. Bring it over here. Now I got it over there. That works extremely well. And then if I want to plug in a USB device, just make sure that works. I can see it flashing. Yep, there it is. So yeah, it's just that easy. You just plug the thing in and it picks everything right up. That is a fantastic dock. And honestly, I love how easy they're making things these days. You don't have to worry about drivers or anything. You literally just plug the thing in and it works. And on top of that, it's a nice and compact dock too. Like you could easily throw that thing in your laptop bag and it's not going to take up that much room. And since this laptop only has USB-C ports, this is going to work with it, but I'm also going to have all these new USB-A ports I'm going to be able to use with it that I wouldn't have had otherwise. So yeah, overall, that is a great dock. I am very happy with that.